How's it going, guys? Welcome back. I am Josh and this is my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how I got this professional audio setup. I'm shooting this video on the iPhone Pro 12 Max. So here's basically the problem. Every year, Apple comes out with a newer, bigger, better camera sensor, better camera quality, so on and so forth. But continually, the onboard microphone on the Apple products and really on any cell phone is less than optimal because it's really small. So every time you record a video, it sounds really tinny. For example, like this. All right, well, I mean, I kind of like this setup. That background seems kind of cool, so I'm just gonna be talking like this. If you can do this setup that I'm about to show you, what you'll find is that you can get amazing quality audio to pair with your amazing quality video, which means obviously an amazing quality outcome, professionally produced videos. So let's take a look at my setup and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. So step number one here, you are going to take the USB powered hub and you're just gonna plug it in. Excellent. And then press that little button and that'll turn on the light. Next, you're gonna take the Focusrite audio interface, just plug that cord in the back, that's fine. And take that USB cord and plug that into the USB powered hub. Excellent. Look, the light is lit there. Next, if you do wanna use the inline preamp, you can just plug your Shure mic right into that. And if you don't wanna use it, you can just plug it right into the Focusrite. Lastly, you're gonna take the USB adapter and you're gonna plug that in, then you're gonna plug that part into the phone. In order for this to work properly, you have to first open your video app and then plug in the adapter. You cannot do it the other way around. First, you open up your camera app, then you're gonna switch to photo mode and then switch back to video mode and then plug in the adapter. Voila, you get amazing, perfect sounding audio. All right, so let's see how that sounds. How does that audio sound? I hope that's working because I made a whole video about it. LOL. Cool, so now I have professional sounding audio and it sounds amazing. You know, now instead of paying a ton of money for a nice DSLR and this whole studio, it's like, hey, you can do this whole thing for, you know, whatever it costs to buy this stuff, just a few $100.